It's estimated that doctors in the US fail to collect about $125 billion per year due to poor billing practices. How much of that is yours? Among the many challenges you face as a healthcare provider, one of the most frustrating and perhaps the most troubling is simply getting paid. Medical billing can be a tiresome, drawn-out process. From daunting claim and coding errors, failing to stay up to date on billing rules and regulations, to mismatched procedures and poor documentation. Without the proper procedures in place, their issues snowball into a mountain of denials and uncollected revenue. By meeting the needs of hospitals, medical practices, and billing companies across the country, Imagine Software enhances everyday applications within the billing process by streamlining the billing collections workflow and reducing the life cycle of claims to increase practice profitability. End result: medical billing simplified. Imagine's suite of software automates billing processes, streamlines information, scrubs claims and knocks out the denials so you can start receiving revenue immediately. If you want to get paid more and get paid faster, then you want Imagine. Your job is to take care of patients. Our job is to take care of you. You already have enough stress. With Imagine Software, you are partnering up with the industry leader. You won't find anyone that can do what we do like we do it, which is getting you paid more money faster.